Experiencing a frozen or unresponsive dashboard in your Tesla Model S can be frustrating. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps, focusing on MCU reboots and screen resets. As of 2026, these are the most common solutions for software-related display issues. We'll explain why this happens and how to quickly resolve it. The Media Control Unit, or MCU, serves as the brain of your Tesla Model S dashboard. This powerful component powers the 17-inch touchscreen display and manages critical functions like navigation, climate controls, audio systems, and vehicle settings. Located in the vehicle's computer system, the MCU acts like a central computer processor, processing data and commands to keep the dashboard responsive and functional. Dashboard freezing typically occurs due to software glitches, memory overload from running multiple apps, or thermal stress on the system. These issues disrupt the MCU's normal operation, causing the screen to become unresponsive. By understanding how the MCU works, you can better diagnose whether a simple reboot or software update will resolve the issue. In newer Tesla models, advanced AI-driven self-healing features automatically detect anomalies and perform corrective actions, reducing the need for manual intervention. The first and simplest solution is an MCU reboot. To do this, press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. The screen will go black and then restart. This clears temporary bugs without affecting your settings or data. This is the digital equivalent of restarting your smartphone and solves most common freezing issues. If the MCU reboot doesn't work, try a screen reset. This focuses specifically on the display itself. Tesla's System Diagnostics menu, introduced in 2025, can trigger a screen reset. If the screen is responsive enough, you can perform a screen reset via touchscreen pinch and hold gestures. Combine this with an MCU reboot for more severe freezes. If reboots and resets don't resolve the problem, especially on older pre-2022 Model S units, the issue might be hardware-related. Capacitor failures in the MCU are a common cause. Contact Tesla service for diagnosis and potential repair or replacement, especially if your vehicle is under warranty or part of a recall program. Tesla regularly releases over-the-air software updates that improve MCU stability and fix bugs. These updates are delivered wirelessly, ensuring your car's system stays current without visiting a service center. To receive these updates, ensure your car is connected to Wi-Fi and regularly check for updates in the settings menu. Keeping your software current is crucial for preventing future freezes and ensuring optimal performance. Many updates include enhanced error handling for display issues. For persistent dashboard issues that don't resolve with basic resets, consider performing a full system restore through the Tesla mobile app if available for your model year. This comprehensive reset can clear deeper software conflicts. Automotive experts recommend regularly clearing app caches within the Tesla system to prevent memory overloads that can cause freezing. This maintenance step helps keep the dashboard running smoothly. While software solutions are convenient, experts warn that over-reliance on connected systems increases vulnerability to security exploits. Always keep your Tesla updated with the latest firmware to maintain protection. For additional support, contact Tesla customer service directly or consult owner forums where other Model S owners share their experiences and solutions. Looking ahead, Tesla vehicles are evolving towards software-defined systems where over-the-air updates handle most diagnostics and fixes. AI-driven self-healing features in the MCU will detect anomalies and reboot preemptively, reducing user intervention by up to 50%. Future updates like full self-driving V12 will include predictive maintenance algorithms that flag issues before they cause problems. Industry experts predict a 70% drop in hardware-software issues by 2030, thanks to standardized protocols from organizations like automotive-grade Linux. However, increased connectivity also brings cybersecurity challenges that require regular updates. To stay informed, monitor Tesla's official resources through the mobile app, participate in owner forums like Tesla Motors Club, and follow expert opinions from engineers like Drew Baglino. Remember, safety always comes first. Consult professionals for persistent issues to ensure safe driving.